Hi folks, I want to go over something that I neglected to cover in this morning's class, and that is uploading images and PDFs from your local machine to the Cascade server. We'll start with the same folder that I used this morning, Test 1. I'll go over and expand my folder, go down to my Images folder, select it, go up to New, down to File, and click on that. This is the interface that we used this morning. We know that if we drag an image from our desktop right into this area, we can upload that way too. But by choosing this button, we can browse through our whole computer. So I'm going to go to my desktop and look on the desktop. I found my picture and I click Open, and it uploads it to the Cascade server. If at this point I decide that I want to change the name, I can do so very easily. Just type in a different name, go down and select Submit, and I'm done. Now I'm going to show you a way to upload several files or a whole bunch of files at once. So you have 20 images and you want to upload them at once, not at one at a time. I'm on a Windows machine and I have 5 images on my desktop. I'll select all 5 and right click. Even if you don't have the application WinZip, Windows will supply a zipping application for you. I'll select WinZip on mine and then add to desktop. Click OK. And I know it's been added to my desktop. If you are on a Mac, you can select multiple files. Also use your right mouse key and then select Compress. It will zip that. Now I'm ready to upload the zipped file that I created. I'm going to go over into Cascade. I open my folder and I select the folder that I want this zipped file to go into. I'm going to put it in Images. I select Images. Then I go to Tools in the menu bar. Not New, but to Tools. Click on Tools and select Zip Archive. We get a very similar interface to the one we used when we were uploading pictures. Drop here to upload or choose file. I'm going to just drag and drop, so I bring this one over here, and it can be anywhere near here. There it is, received file. Cascade tells me it has received it. Now I need to save it, so I click the Submit button. And Cascade is working on unpacking it. It tells me, Cascade says, successfully unpacked, and I have my 5 images. And they have been placed in my Images folder. If I want to see one, I can just click over here, Cheshire Cat, and there he is in all his glory. I can select the DNA image, and there it is. And if I go down to human lung, I see all the images that I uploaded in that zip file. On the Mac, you would choose a zip file just the same. It'll look a little different than it does on a PC, but it will have the extension zip after it, and you'll be able to pull it up just like you do from a Windows machine. And that's it. This is a great feature for uploading multiple files, multiple PDFs, or multiple images. It's a real time saver. And that's all you do.